Well, as promised here at Sunny Approach, we have made another purchase from the garden team. And if we open up the box, you'll see we already cut the thing. Nobody wants to see that. Inside, you have instructions on how to germinate. You can click those QR codes. And our most exciting piece is the strawberries.
So
it says prepare and plant your strawberries on your garden immediately upon arrival.
We kind of got these a couple days ago because I didn't think the strawberries were in here. So I messed up. But
So if you do purchase something from garden, open the box immediately and read the instructions. Now we've got some other plants here that we ordered, so we will cover those
I think these
later.
are still fine. They're very dry. Rockwool's dry, but it is strawberries. That's really nice and green. That's still white. So as we just changed out the water, I wanted to put these in so that they can start growing, which means we have to take 2 of these out. I think what I'm taking out is this tatsoi, which isn't doing great. And
so we're going to put that in this little cardboard. We're going to show you what we're doing with that a little bit later.
I think the Swiss chard's coming out.
Yeah, we don't really like Swiss chard.
And if you notice, there's these little holes somewhere right here. If you put this straight up, the water is below those holes. It's really cool. So you're not dripping water all over. And then...
You go put them in a white cube.
Oh, I guess I had to take them out of this thing, don't I? Whew. There we go. There's one. But don't worry, we're not like going to let this die.
No, we'll show you what we're doing with those in a little bit. We've got a plan.
Well, how's a plan? Because I always have a plan. Plop those. Remember, there's these 2 little things, and these things have these things on them, so you got to make sure.
And not to track the roots.
Not to track them. Yeah, I think. Okay. Make sure those are in there like that.
Now the strawberries don't have the little markings on them like the
I
other
noticed
things.
that. And the rockwool is very, very dry. So, yeah, don't be like us and say, oh, we're going to put them in when we change. Yeah, well, hopefully we didn't. I don't think we hurt them, but hey.
And if we did, it's a lesson learned that everybody who watches this YouTube video will be able to benefit from.
So now I'm going to put them back in these, whoops. Plop the roots in. There's one. The other one is up here. There's 2.
And there we have it. We've got
And
2
then I'm going to get my
strawberry
app
plants.
out and I'm going to start the watering cycle.
Okay, let's see if we can show you that on the app.
Okay, I've never actually done the watering cycle, so let's see, water level, watering, proceed to water, and there we go.
And so there you have it, how to unbox and plant some strawberry plants and use the Kelby app to trigger a manual watering cycle. If you enjoy our videos, we invite you to be a subscriber to our channel at Sunny Approach. We don't only talk about gardening, we talk about traveling around the place with our dog Cappuccino and all kinds of other things that come with living on a farm. And that is kind of about it for this particular video segment. So we wish you, as always, a sunny day.